make some pom-poms with some pom-pom makers I found at Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, I am a little bit freaking out. I found these pom-pom makers at Dollar Tree, and I've been looking forever for them, and finally got them. I'm so excited. Anyways, all right, so we're going to do the big one. So basically, you open it up, and you want to put the two colored half circles together. I have this yarn. It is a thicker yarn, but I love it. And then you're going to start wrapping it around one set of the half circles, okay? You're going to wrap it till the point where that little half moon shape is a little less. And then you're going to close it down. And I didn't cut it. I just moved that piece of yarn over and went just to the other set. And then started rolling around that. Not rolling around. Is it rolling around? Wrapping around. And see how I did it all the way till it's almost, that half circle's almost gone. Put them together, and then I cut the excess. And then you're going to want a good pair of scissors, but you're going to cut in between those half circle pieces. This was so easy. I can't even tell you how excited I am. Like, how much fun this is. I can't. This part was like, so, like, for those of you who are sensory special like me, this was so gratifying. I loved it. Again, you don't even have to, you could just cut and use the indentation as a guide. You don't have to go crazy pushing hard with your scissors in there at all. It is kiss simple. They are not the most sturdy made things. And I'm going to tell you right now, the directions on back are not fantastic. This is the second time that I tried doing the pom-pom. All right. So once that's cut, you're going to take this part's very important. Take another strip of your yarn and put it in that well that you just cut, right? Tie it really tight. Not so tight that you break your yarn, but tight, right? And you're going to do a double knot. Perfect. Awesome. Then you're going to open up those little half circles. Perfect. This is where I got a little confused because I was like, it doesn't tell you that the confounded thing pulls apart. It doesn't say that. It does. And that's how you get the pom-pom out. Friends, I'm telling you right now, you have to trim those little ends. But look at, this is before you even trim it down. Look at how awesome this is. And then of course, you're going to trim it. This is the part where I really have a hard time because this is like I keep trimming and then I don't know when to stop trimming. And then I wind up trimming too much. But I'm telling you right now, I've made pom-poms many, many a time. I've used other pom-pom makers. Oh, this one, yes, love it. Look at how awesome this is. Now, I tell you, it's important to remember that tying in the middle thing, because this is what happens if you don't. I made one of each. Look at them. And yes, as I mentioned, the pink one disintegrated in my hand. I had to bring it to my husband to have him fix it. But anyways, and then I did a little gnome with one of the pom-poms. But you could do so many different things. You could do garlands. Listen, we all use pom-poms all the time, or at least I do. Anyways, this was so much fun, friends. I hope your Dollar Tree has them. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.